In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Metatrader demo account. By the end, you'll know how to remove an old demo profile and create a brand new one so you can start fresh with a clean balance and trade history. This process is quick, and it works similarly in both Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5. First, open your Metatrader platform on your computer. Once it loads, look for the Navigator panel, typically on the left side of the screen. Inside that panel, you'll see a section called Accounts. That's where your existing profiles live, including your demo accounts. If the Navigator isn't visible, you can show it from the View menu so you can keep everything in sight while you work. Next, move into the Accounts section. You'll likely see your current demo login listed there. This is the profile you want to reset. To start fresh, remove the old profile so it doesn't interfere with the new one you're about to create. Right-click your existing demo account and choose the option to delete or remove it. This action only removes the account from your local platform view, which is exactly what you want for a clean start. If you're still logged in, the platform may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and proceed so the account disappears from the list. With the old demo out of the way, you're ready to create a new one. In the same Navigator panel, right-click on the Accounts heading itself. From that context menu, select Open an Account. This launches the account creation wizard inside Metatrader, which guides you step by step. On the first screen of the wizard, click Next. You may see a list of available servers or broker options. Keep your existing broker selection if it appears automatically, or choose the appropriate entry that matches where you normally connect. The goal here is simply to move forward to the account type selection. On the next page, you'll be asked whether you want a demo account or a real account. Since we're resetting a demo, select the demo option. This gives you simulated funds and full platform functionality without any real money risk, which is ideal for testing strategies or practicing order placement. After choosing Demo, click Next to continue. You'll now reach the form where you provide your details. Enter the information requested by the platform and your broker so the system can generate the demo login. Some brokers also show options such as account type, base currency, or other preferences on the same screen. Configure these according to your needs for practice, keeping in mind that you're setting up a test environment to mirror how you plan to trade. When everything looks correct, confirm that you agree to the terms and conditions by selecting the agreement checkbox. It's a good idea to scan through the terms so you know how the demo operates and whether there are any time limits or refresh policies. After agreeing, click Next. Metatrader will now create the new demo profile and display the login details for that account. The platform may automatically log you in so you can begin trading right away. Take a moment to keep a safe record of the credentials shown on screen and close the wizard when prompted. You'll see your new demo account appear under Accounts in the Navigator, and the status in the bottom right corner of the platform should show that you're connected. At this point, your demo environment is reset. You have a fresh balance, no trade history, and a clean slate for testing. If your charts were open before, they'll continue to work. You can also add symbols, templates, and indicators as needed. If you ever want to reset again, repeat the same flow, remove the existing demo from the accounts list, open a new account, choose demo, provide the required details, agree, and proceed. If you run into any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable, verify that you selected the correct server for your broker, and try the wizard again. That's all it takes to reset a Metatrader demo account cleanly and confidently.